Alright y'all, I'm back with another video. I got this mini chopper bike. My tires, stuff that come off of it. This is the beginning. I'm gonna restore it. It's all rusty. As you can see, take some of this stuff off of it. Take that off of it. I already cut this off of it. Cut that one off. It came from right here. So okay, well y'all can see when I'm getting it, I'm gonna clean that up real good. Take the rest of it off. And I got a color in mind. It'll be a surprise and let y'all see it. Y'all stay tuned. It's a mini chopper bike, but I'm making this chopper bike all stretch with all parts from around my backyard in the LTC garage. All the parts coming from LTC garage, just straight straps that I'm gonna make. All the parts I got home, I'm gonna try not to even go to the store to get too much unless it's a brake shoe or maybe a clutch or a chain. Y'all stay tuned. I'll let you know the things that I do have to go get and the things that I don't. I'll fix it up from the house, scrap yard, with my extra tires. Got extra tires, rims, and tubes. Got it all. Extra rims, everything. So y'all stay tuned. I'll put you back on when I get some more done. Alright y'all. Bam, I got the frame all sanded down. Put some paint thinner on it. Dress it all up. Y'all sand it down. I done ran through 1, 2, 1, 2 sandpaper. 3 sandpaper. Now, time for a coat of paint. Got all the little excess stuff on it that I didn't want on it. That off. That's pretty smooth. All the little excess stuff that I didn't want. So now it's ready for some paint. I'm gonna clean this pawn up on it real good. And chopper, mini chopper. Y'all stay tuned. I ain't done. I'll be back. Get some of this paint on here. Let y'all see how it looks. Alright y'all. Decided to go with this John Deere green. The color it is. Pretty good color. Pretty good color. Sit right here. Pretty good green. That's what I'm in so far. Put it up. Update on the mini chopper. I'm back telling y'all about how far I got. I painted the 212 Predator I painted it black with some heat protected Rust-Oleum paint so it can get up to 500 degrees. So this paint good, it's not gonna come off. I gotta worry about it. This the color I went with the clutch. Red chrome. The back, I had to make this 420 sprocket because it didn't come with that sprocket. This the sprocket it came with. So that's a big difference. I wanted to go with 420 chain, clutch, more heavy duty. I got this 420 chain, it's thick. I'm put it on here. That's the only thing I need. I gotta get the master link for this chain and we'll be there. Gas tank right here. It's my gas tank, guys. It's the gas tank. Full of my mini chopper. Okay, guys, this is the gas tank. It's gonna go on the mini chopper. So far. That's what I meant. Right now, I got a gas pedal hooked up, Makuni carburetor. I painted that as well. Y'all can see it better during the day. Brake setup. I went with this Coleman 200 setup. The brake setup is this Coleman brake setup. That's what this brake setup is. Coleman 200 CT 200. But the shocks, I want to put a shock in the back so it can have a better bounce. But I got a shock that's on my seat, like some springs, better yet. And I have to build this to kind of make sure it don't touch my spark plug. I have to build it up. Need to put me a metal casing over it. Put that seat on top. But y'all will see how far I get with it. I keep you updated. Y'all stay tuned. Okay, guys, back. I got my mirrors on. As you see, I got my mirrors on here. I put my seat on. I gotta get me some bolts to bolt this up a little higher. I want it to be a little higher than it really sit. So I'm gonna give me some screws and some bolts to throw it in there. And I'm gonna make sure I get some double-sided bolts so it can be able to sit on there good and give it a little leverage, because I do got a spark plug up under here and I don't want it to break that. But I got the Makuni carburetor set up, everything set up. I gotta get me a pipe, and that'll be about it. But that's how she look. The gas tank, I might go with another one, but this is what I put together. It still works.